Hey Sia. What are you doing?
Just enjoying the scenario happening outside.
So can I join you?
Yes, why not? But I have in trouble about this lightning.
You are just wondered about how this happening.
Yes. Can you help me to understand the science behind it?
Yes, why not? So let's start our journey. You really like this. You all also wondered about how those lightning in the sky at the time of raining is happening. So here I am, Suhas, to help you to understand this magic of thunderbolts. So let's start our journey. You all already know about similar charges are repel each other, while dissimilar charges are attract each other. This phenomena of thundering is related to the very interesting property of physics known as electrostatics. Electrostatics deals with static electric charges at rest and electrostatic force of attraction between them, which is formulated by Coulomb in between 1736 to 1806. He made the first quantitative investigation of the force between electric charges. He used point charges at rest to study the interaction. A point charge is a charge whose dimensions are negligibly small compared to its distance from another bodies. Coulomb's law is a fundamental law governing interaction between charges at rest. It states that the force of attraction or repulsion between 2 point charges at rest is directly proportional to the product of the magnitude of the charges and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. This force acts along the line joining the two charges.
I already know about that, Suhas. But I have doubt how this electrostatic force related to the thundering happening in the sky.
Wait, Sia. I explain you. Can lightning strike the same place twice? Let's figure out what makes it happen in the first place. Lightning is electricity, and electricity involves tiny particles. Some particles have a positive charge, and some have a negative charge. The two opposite charges pull towards each other, like the north and south ends of magnets. Usually electric charges are fairly winds of a storm cause electric charges to separate within the cloud. Most lightning occurs within the cloud itself. But we're concerned about the lightnings between clouds and the ground. Lightning starts with negative charges moving from the clouds towards the ground. Scientists called a stepped leader. Meanwhile, an upward leader forms as positive charges move up from the ground, usually from tall objects. When a stepped leader and an upward leader meet, it makes a path, or a much larger and brighter electric current to show up into the cloud. This is what we see in the sky as lightning. It happens so quickly that lightning seems to travel from the cloud to the ground, when in fact the opposite is true. So can lightning strike the same place twice? Absolutely. For example, Toronto's Shaw Tower is struck by lightning around 75 times each year. In fact, in August 2, 2011, the tower was shocked a record-breaking 52 times in 84 minutes. But don't worry. The tower was built to withstand it, so it's a safe place to be if lightning strikes once, twice, or even 52 times. There are so many different examples of electrostatics we can see in our daily life, like attraction of water. When charged balloon is placed nearer to it, small pieces of paper attracted towards charged balloon, or so many. Sia, can you get it all the things clearly and how these phenomena is happen in nature?
Yes. I really does not know about these interesting facts before that, which are based on Coulomb's electrostatic force. Thank you so much, Suhas, for this wonderful and amazing journey.
Can you also understand this magical phenomena of lightning? Then comment me. Have you liked this journey? Then please like, share and subscribe our channel. Okay friends, today we will stop here. Let's meet in next video. And here is one question for you. Is lightning as alternating current AC? Or direct current DC? That question should have two. Answer me in the comment.